uh, sometimes students feel problem in solving these questions. So for their help, we are making this video. Okay. Now, question number 2 is a different question. In this question, we have to substitute. Okay. This is question number 2 of the same exercise 4A, page number 90 and 91. It is given that x is 6 and y is -4. So we have to find the value of these algebraic expressions. So at the place of x, we will write -4. And at the place of y, we are going to write -4. At the place of x, we have to write 6. And at the place of y, we have to write -4. Now it is 24 minus 28. So it is -4. -4 is the answer. Okay? See. The value of x according to our question was 6. The value of y according to our question was -4. So after inserting these values, we will have to open the bracket. 4 6 is 24, 7 4 is 28. So this minus and minus will become plus. And if it is plus, then this is 12 and this is 52. 52 is going to be your answer. Okay, right? Now in this question again we have to substitute first. So value of x is 6 and value of y is -4. Okay, and x is 6. Okay, now this is 30 and this is -12 and this is 6. So, if you have this situation, then we can write it as -30 upon 20 and plus 6. So, first take LCM. LCM is 20. This will be multiplied by 1 and this will be multiplied by 20. So -30 plus 6 20s is 120, right? So 6 to the 12 and 120. Now if you subtract, you will get 90. 90 upon 20 is your final fraction which you got. Cancel zeros. You will get 9 upon 2, and 9 upon 2 is 4 whole 1 upon 2. This is your answer. This is 20 and it is 90 and 6 to the is 120 and 3 ones is 30. So if you subtract 30, then you will get 90. Yes, this is correct. And here it is 30 and here it is 6. So 9 6 are 12 6 are, it is 12 in the 12 will be taken as LCM. So 30 minus 30 and plus 12 6 is 6 12 is 72. Now if we will subtract, we will get 2 and we will get 4, right? Now 21 and 6 and 7 and 3. So it is minus 7 over 3, and this will become 2 whole 7 upon 3 sevens are and 3 twos are. So this will be 3 whole 1 upon 4. This is your answer. Now I am explaining this again. We have 6 at the place of x. We have to write 6 at the place of x. So it is 6 written over here. And at the place of y, we have to write minus 4. So minus 4 is written over here. Now we will have 30 upon 12. And this is plus 6. Okay. So when we will take LCM, this will be multiplied by 12. And this will be multiplied by 1. So this is 30 minus 30, and this is plus 72. When we will subtract, we will get a plus positive value. So it is 42 upon 12, and after cancellation we will get 7 over 2, and 7 over 2 is 3 whole 1 upon 2. Okay, that's it. Now question number D. In question number D we have value of x is 6. So this is 6 here, and 6 upon y is minus 4. So write minus 4, and y is minus 4. So minus 4 square. So we have substituted all the values. Now 3 6 is 18, and this will become minus 6 over 4, and this will become 16. Okay, right? Now take LCM. LCM is 4. Now 18 multiplied by 4, 72. Okay. So we will have 72 over here, and 6, and 16 multiplied by 4. It is 64. Now 72 minus 6. 72 minus 6 is how much? 66. Okay, and 66 minus 64 will give you 2. So this will be 2 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. Okay, so this 2 upon 4 will become 1 upon 2 after cancellation, and this is going to be your answer. Okay, right? So we have solved all the questions. This is C part of question number 2. At the place of 6 we have to write 6. At the place of x we have to write 6. At the place of y we have to substitute its value, that is minus 4. Now 6, when it will be made square, so it is 36, and minus 4, when it is squared, it becomes negative 64. See, it happens like this: 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 60, 60 for the 64. So it is negative 64. Okay. Now this will become 72 and 64. When we will add, it will be 6 and 13. So this is your answer. Now I am explaining this question again. 2x square minus y cube. We have to find its value. Okay. So at the place of x we will write 6. Okay.